Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Pad 3D and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll to find the features. Let's tap on it. Now tap on System Navigation at the top, and as you can see here we've got two different options. Currently we've got the virtual navigation, and before we will set the gestures, a quick disclaimer, as you can see you can customize them here. Just tap on this option icon, and here you can decide whether you want to always show the navigation bar, and you can reorder the back button and the recents. So let's set the gestures. Let's tap on this option. Immediately on the left we will have I would say some kind of tutorial animation which will show you how to use it. You can also customize the gestures here. You can decide whether you want to display the bottom indicator, which appears instead of the 3 buttons. You can avoid misoperation by swipe gesture. You can manage the Google Assistant and the back sensitivity, and to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so you will be able to decide whether you need this back sensitivity to be lower or higher. And right now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page just like by using the back button, simply swipe your finger from the side to the center until you'll see this arrow and release the finger to go back. The same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. It should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture but elongate it a little bit, just like that, and here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.